H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Hello everyone, welcome to mobile application basic sessions. So this is Prasad. Let me introduce myself. I'm having more than 8 years of experience in software testing. As part of my career, I work with manual testing, automation testing with multiple tools like QTP, Selenium, Test Complete, and also I'm having good experience with mobile application testing as well. As part of mobile application testing, I work with both Android as well as iOS. So I will be taking care of your mobile application testing basic sessions. This is a 5-day sessions. So what I will do is, first I will talk about that what we are going to discuss in these 5 days. Then we will start with the course. And during that sessions, whenever if you have doubt, you can always ping me in the chat window. First give me the schedule, like what is the plan. So this is రే సౌండ్ తగ్గినరా వాడే నాకు తెలుసు చెప్పలేవా నువ్వు నీకు నోరు లేదా నేను చెప్పాలా అది కూడా ఇంకా ఆపు ఇంకా నీకు చెప్పలే నేను ఆపు ఇంకను సో వీఆర్ దిస్ ఇస్ a 5-day session. This is a 5-day sessions, and then in this session we will be learning mobile application testing introduction, then mobile application strategy. So as I said, like if you guys are having any doubt, you can always ping me in the chat window and I will try to answer all the queries. Mobile application strategy, mobile application test cases, how to write the test cases. Then I will talk about that emulator, how to create that Android emulator. I will show these things. Okay, and also I will give you introduction to web services. And this is the plan for our sessions. So let's start with the first session, like mobile application testing basics, introduction. So the first question comes into the mind is like, why we need to learn this course? Why is this important? Why we need to learn this? So let me tell you one thing. See, mobile applications nowadays, if you see in the industry, everyone is talking about that mobile applications. Like current situation, current generation, and also in the next generation also, the complete IT will be in the mobile applications. Just take a simple example. Now we are having so many participants in the okay. So now right here, right, we are having so many participants in the sessions. Let me share the screen once again. My presenter is gone. Let me, yeah, yes. I'm sharing the screen once again. 1 second, please. There is some problem. 1 second. Let me share the screen once again. Okay, now hope you can see now. Okay, now you can see, right? Okay, fine. Now you can see, right? Yes, now you can see. Actually, right, there was some problem. Okay, fine. Let's continue. So right, see, now if you see right here, right, we are having so many participants in the session. Now in these participants, right, few of them probably you might have used your mobile to connect to the session. See, right now what is happening is only few users are using your mobiles to connect to the sessions, or if you want to do some money transfer, if you want to do some money transfer to your friends, probably right nowadays very few members are using to transfer the money. Down the line, almost everyone will use these mobile phones to do the transactions. So nowadays, right, everyone is talking about this mobile. That's why I said here is like current and next generation. Current generation, it's mobile application, and next generation is completely into your mobile application. And also, probably right now, if you want to register with H2K Infosys, you are using your web application. You are opening your h2kinfosys.com in your web application and then try to register it. Now we already done with this H2K Infosys app, and that will be released in few days. And you can register with H2K Infosys directly with the mobile app, because everyone is trying to do with the mobile app only. So nowadays, me, you, and everyone, they wanted to do all the activities within their smartphone itself. That's the reason I wanted to understand, and also I want to take this opportunity for my career as well. Now you can ask me, okay, so this is under all mobile apps. So where is the testing comes into picture? So wherever the application development is there, there will be testing, right? If you are doing some application development, obviously there will be some testing. Just imagine that, like, right, if you are developing some banking app, and if you are not testing that app, and if that app is crashing during your payment, what is the point of developing that app? Just think logically. So right, whenever there is a development, obviously there will be a testing. And also that too, let me tell you one more point here. Testing will be a huge scope, because developers, what they will do, they will develop the application. But as a tester, you have to make sure that the app is working with each and every device. Because if you see in the market, how many devices are there in the market? Like thousands of the devices are there in the market. So as a tester, we will not test with all the devices, but yes, you need to test most popular devices with your application. So testing scope will be huge for any app. Okay, let's talk about that. Right, in detail in the later sessions. Now I understand that why I need to learn this course first. First point is done. Next one is, what is the prerequisites? So I wanted to learn this course. What is the prerequisites? So for this, manual testing basics is done, is good. Don't take the notes, Kavita, please. Don't take the notes, please. Not required. I will be sending this PPTs with you guys. So don't take the notes. Not required. Okay. So here, like, right, manual testing basics is the prerequisites for your mobile application testing. Again, this is not mandatory. If you are a fresher also, still, right, you can start with your mobile application testing. If you know how to use your smartphone, that means you are eligible for your mobile application tester position. Nowadays, like, almost everyone know that how to use the smartphone. So usage in the sense, just not like calling and messaging. So you need to understand the complete operating system of your mobile. Then if you know that how to use your smartphone, that means you are eligible for your mobile application tester position. Okay. Okay. I'm not getting, Neha, your question. Okay, I'm going very slow, Neha, and also, like, right, in this PPTs, right, I'm giving you like very, what do you call, very basic definitions. So anyone can easily understand. This is a simple language. So what you can is, once you get this PPT, you can go through that PPTs, and also I'm recording the sessions through fast tone. So probably, right, you will not face any audio issues, so that you can go through that videos as well. Okay. And again, if you're doing this, if you're taking this notes, right, what will happen is it's a multitasking. So obviously, right, anyone is doing the multitasking means, right, probably, right, there is a chance to miss something. So don't do that. Let's please give your attention. And then if you have any queries with that particular topic, please let me know. And then this course duration, right, this course duration is like, right, it's divided into two parts. One is your basics. Basics is nothing but it's a 4 to 5 hours sessions for your basics. That is what we are learning here. And then we are having advanced, right? Advanced, that is nothing but your like around 12 hours, right? This advanced is 12 hours, including your cloud-based testing and your web services testing and your automation testing. Fine. Let's come back. So what is mobile application testing? So mobile application testing is nothing but it is similar to software testing. What we will do in the web application testing, the same thing we'll do in the mobile application. But in the mobile application testing, testing will be done on a mobile device instead of testing the application. Meaning, say let me open one simple application. So let me open one simple application. So when you are opening your application in your mobile, you can see like this. So just I'm assuming that this is the mobile. Okay. That means, right, now as a tester, what is my job? So if you are testing this application in your desktop, that is called your web application testing. But here you are testing this application in your mobile. So it is called mobile application testing. Let me show you the same application if I open in the desktop, how it looks like. This is your desktop application. This is your desktop application. But when it comes to that mobile, it looks like this. So as a tester, what I will do is I will be testing this application in my mobile. Okay. That is nothing but your mobile application testing. Mobile application testing is nothing but you are testing the application in a mobile device. Okay. Then, like, right, many people will say that mobile testing, some people will say that mobile testing, some people will say that mobile application testing. What is the difference between mobile testing and mobile application testing? Let me tell you the difference between your mobile testing and mobile application testing. Here, mobile testing is nothing but you are testing the handsets. When you are testing the handsets, that is called your mobile testing. Okay. No, Meena, like, right, what I am doing is I just opened here. So Meena is asking. So Meena, right, what I did is, right, I minimized my browser to my mobile so that, right, you can feel that this is a mobile. Okay. So here, right, I minimized actually. You can see here. This is that just wanted to show you, like, once you open that application in your mobile, how it looks like. Okay. Fine. Now let's try to understand what is the difference between your mobile application testing and your mobile testing. So mobile testing is nothing but testing the handsets. That means, now say for example, like, right, if Apple is releasing iPhone 6 to the market. So before releasing that iPhone 6 to the market, there will be a lot of testing on the device to make sure that this device core functionalities are working fine. What is device core functionalities? Such as your making a call, receiving a call, SMS, connectivity like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, video calling, network, battery. So these kind of things. So what we will do is, right, whenever if you are testing that handsets, that is called your mobile testing. And to perform this mobile testing, you may need some technical skills, because here mobile testing means, right, there will be a lot of protocols involved. So testing these mobile devices, you need some technical skills. So we are not touching that mobile testing. And that too, let me tell you one more point. You are having huge opportunities in the mobile app testing than your mobile testing. Because devices, right, like iPhone will release, Apple will release one device once in a while. So mobile testing will be like less only. However, mobile app testing means, like, you are having huge opportunities. And also, day by day, like, you are having like thousands of apps are coming into the market. When you say that mobile app testing is nothing but testing the applications inside the device. Now you have your iPhone 6, and then what you will do, you will be installing one application and then you will work on it. That is called your mobile app testing. Say for example, if you guys are having your iPhone, and then if you want to transfer your money, what you will do? You will install your apps. Like, say for example, if you are having Bank of America, you will install that Bank of America app into your device and then start transferring the funds. That means here you are installing the app inside the device. So mobile app testing is nothing but testing the applications inside the device. That is called your mobile app testing. Here we are learning mobile app testing. Okay. And also, like, usually, right, when you go to the interview, there is a common question. What is the difference between your mobile testing and your mobile app testing? That is why I wanted to tell you this before going to the next topics. Okay. So here we discussed that what is mobile testing and what is mobile application testing. Okay. Fine. Then I wanted to discuss. Okay, we got one more query. Yeah, so Neha, right here, mobile testing is nothing but you are testing the handsets. You are testing the handsets. That means if you are having a new device like Samsung S4, so before releasing that Samsung S4, there will be a lot of testing on that device, whether the device features are working correctly or not. What is your core functionalities of the device, like calling, SMS, connectivity, like your Wi-Fi is working, your Bluetooth is working, your video calling is working in the device, and your network is working in the device. So this is nothing but your mobile testing. And to test it, like you need some technical skills for this mobile testing, because to check this connectivity and all, you need to have some knowledge in your protocols. So we're not touching that mobile testing, and we are going to the mobile apps testing. And anyway, we have like more opportunities in mobile apps testing as well. Okay, yeah, no problem. Now the next thing is, I wanted to discuss what are all the different applications in your mobiles. That means, see, if you are talking about your normal software testing, what you will do? You will say that Windows application, web application, like this. Similarly, in mobile also, we are having different applications. Like you are having native applications, hybrid applications, and mobile web applications. That means you are having three types of applications in your mobile world. So we can use native application, we can use hybrid application, or we can use mobile web application. Okay. So here, like, right, we need to understand what is native, what is hybrid, and what is mobile web. And also I will tell you what kind of situation we will go to each and every application. Okay. And one more thing, I'm requesting you guys, like, right, don't raise your hands. If you have any queries, please ping me in the chat window, because we are having like many number of participants, so it is difficult to like take the individual queries. So however, like, if you have any queries, you can always ping me in the chat window, please. Now here, I wanted to understand different different applications, mobile applications. That means, now whenever if you want to develop your mobile applications, so you can develop your native applications, or hybrid application, or mobile web. So when user will go to native application, hybrid application, mobile web, now we will discuss. First we will discuss what is native applications, right? So native applications is nothing but, right, name indicates native. That means whenever the mobile applications are built using the native programming language. That means, in a simple term, right, whenever if you are having an Android device, if you have an Android device, what will happen? You will go to Play Store and you will be downloading that apps, right? Those are native applications. Native applications means it's a specific to the platform. So like, right, so if you are a beginner, so you can define simple terms like this. So here I can say that my native application is nothing but it's a specific to the platform. Okay, you want full, huh? Okay, but if I show full, problem is, okay, where is my notepad? Oh, okay, fine. So here, right, native applications is nothing but simple terms. You can say that specific to platform. If you go to your iPhone, you will go to App Store and you will be downloading that apps. Those are specific to iPhone only. Those apps cannot be downloaded in your Android, and vice versa. If you have apps in your Android, that cannot be downloaded in your iPhone, because these are specific to platform, and these are called your native applications. Native applications is nothing but it's a specific to platform, and technically you can define like this: apps will be developed in the native programming language. This is the, like, what you call technical definition. However, like, right, if you want to understand the basic definition, you can say that native is nothing but it's a specific to platform. That means if you develop Android native application, that means that is accessible only for Android devices. You cannot access in any other devices. And here like right, as I said, when you want to develop your native applications, you will be using native programming language. And if you're an Android developer, right, if you're an Android developer, you will be using Java to develop your Android applications. So any Android developer must know Java, because they will be writing the code in Java to develop the application. As a tester, you should know what language they will use. I don't want to understand like why they will use under. I want to know what kind of language they will use for the application development. And if it is a iPhone applications, or you can say that iOS application, right, they will be using Objective-C. Objective-C is the language used by the iOS developers to develop their applications. Okay, so here see, native application is nothing but it's a specific to platform, and apps will be developed in the native programming language. And then like if it is Android, they will be using Java to develop the application. That means Java is the native programming language for your Android, and Objective-C is the native programming language for your iOS. Now you can ask me, okay, when I will go to the native application and what is the advantage of it? So here, see, native application means like whenever you need a rich user interface. So say for example, my client came to me, just imagine like, right, we are planning to develop H2K Infosys app, and Rao came to me and he said that he want to develop the H2K Infosys app. When as a client is saying that you want to develop H2K Infosys app, then I will ask him what kind of app he is looking for, right? So whenever he is looking for this kind of things, whenever like, right, this is whenever he is looking for rich user interface and heavy graphics in the app. Okay, that means, right, this kind of situation, it's always better to go with your native application. Can anyone tell me like where you need this heavy graphics and rich user interface? What kind of applications you will prefer for your native? Tell me. Anyone can tell me? See, this should be like, right, it's an interactive session, not like yes. That's correct, right? Gaming application, that's a best example, right? Best example. See, if you see these games, right, like in the games you should have a lot of heavy graphics, and then you will have a lot of pictures, a lot of images. So if you want to do these games, right, the best way is native application. So if you see any of the games applications, most of the applications will be developed in native only. Any more example? Games is the best example, that's I agree. Yes, Dharani, that's correct. Shopping website, see, consumer focused applications, right? So now, right, I want to go with this, right, rich user interface. That means, right, whenever I want to go with my consumer focused applications, that means, right, I'm developing one application where I wanted to attract my customers, like your any website, if you take like, right, where you want to attract your customers in the what you call online. This kind of situation, what I will do, I want to have like good look and feel, good user interface, rich user interface. So what I will do is I will be going with my native application, because native application looks very good. And then like what will happen is, in the native applications, whatever the image you are using, it will come as it is in the mobile. There should not be even a single blur. It will come as it is. So you will not lose even a 1% of the information of your image. It will come as it is. That is why, right, this kind of what you call rich user interface or consumer focused applications. So usually this kind of applications I will prefer to go with my native. Okay, and one more participant is asking, what is Objective-C? Objective-C is the language which is used by the iOS developer to develop iOS applications. It's a native programming language for your iOS. Yes.